To use the data validation in Excel, we have the data which includes the student number, name and the section. We have the available section which we need to use here. We have the one way to type the section manually, like green, which includes in the available section, again red and orange. But if I write here black and pink, so you can see here we have only the available section which we can use, but I use here black and pink which is not available here. So how can I restrict the cells to select the only available section? So we use the data validation. First we select the whole column in which we want the restricted options. Go here in the data tab, and in the data tab you can see here the data validation. Click here, and in the box we need to select the option which is list. I select the list option, and in the source we need to select the only options which we need to restrict, like we need to restrict in 3 sections. So I select the 3 cells and press here OK. So you can see here if I drop down the list, you can see it gives only the sections available here. Now I can select from the available section, or I can write here manually, but it will only accept the data which is available. Now if I write here the pink which is not included in our list, so it gives the error. This is how we can restrict our data by using the data validation. Now if I manually put the data which it will accept, like green, so it will not give any error. Now again if I select the black which is not available in list, so you can see here it again gives the error. This is the power of the data validation which will help us to restrict the cells. Now I can type the data orange and it will not give any error. Now I can change the available section as well, like if I select the black here and press here enter, so you can see here in the drop down list it will also see black here, which means it has eliminated the orange and gives black. And now if I write here orange or put the manually orange, orange, so it gives the error because the orange is not available in our list. Now if I write manually the section which is available, like green, so it will accept. This is how we can use the data validation function to restrict our cells.